Hello, and welcome back to Draw with Boba. Today we'll be drawing Dexter from Squishmallow. It's gonna be a Squishmallow dragon, so it's gonna be pretty cute. Let's start right around here and draw our first eye. And then on the right side, we're gonna draw in the same eye right around here. Let's add a little bit of highlight, some room for color, and let's fill it in black. Once you're done with that, let's do the same on the other side. Looking good. And for the nose, it's just going to be a big oval in the middle, starting from around here. Want to go around and connect back. And let's add in two little nostrils. 1, 2. With the eyes done and the nose done, let's move over to the head. So let's start from the eye and let's go up to this point, and we're gonna go across to this point. But before we do that, we need to add a little bit of these like spikes on top. So starting from here, let's add in one spike and a second one behind. And let's connect these 2 points to those spikes for the top of the head. And then we need 2 little horns. 1 horn. Let's try to match the other side. 2 horn. That's looking good. As we continue down, let's go down a little bit. Let's say to the side of the face, right around here. On both sides. Oops, missed it just a little bit. And before we continue, let's add in the ears. Starting from here, right below the horn, we're gonna go out, loop, and back in. Same thing on the other side. And then we need to add in the top of the ear by making this simple S mark. Let's continue with a body. Let's go down a little bit right around here at the bottom of the body. And all we need to do is connect the sides to the bottom, like so, and give it a little belly. It's looking good. And since this is a dragon, we need some wings. The wings are going to be pretty simple. Using the nose as a guide, we're going to go across right around here, and we're going to go up, down, and then go at a wave motion. And then to split the wings, we just need to add in a line to split the greens apart. And let's repeat this wing on the other side. Let's go across here, up, down, same thing, like so. And let's split the wing. And that's looking really good. Now let's go grab some colors and color it in. Alright, we got our colors. Now let's add some color. Let's start off with the biggest color area. Let's use this lime green. And there you have it, Dexter the Dragon from Squishmallows. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.